This conference is focused on resilience. And I've seen resilience time and time again from the women and men of Pakistan. From enduring the scourge of natural disasters and terrorism, to Pakistan's long and proud history of welcoming, protecting and supporting millions of Afghan refugees currently living in Pakistan.
I have not seen in my entire lifetime this kind of devastation which has not only crippled our economy but has posed a challenge which Pakistan alone cannot negotiate with. $30 billion is the loss to our economy. As I speak, we have already spent about $400 million to provide basic support to 2.7 million households. And this includes repurposed amounts as well, given by World Bank and other institutions. It's a huge challenge that we have to put back people on the feet to the tune of 33 million. That is, I think, unprecedented in the contemporary history.
In addition to natural disasters, Pakistan is also a victim of the man-made disaster of a morally bankrupt global financial system. A system that denies middle-income countries debt relief and concessional financing to invest in resilience and recovery, and that must change.
Every penny will be spent in a most transparent fashion. I have put in place third-party validation mechanism so that every penny is accounted for and is invested in the interest of the needy and helpless people who have been badly affected by these ferocious floods.
Today it's Pakistan, tomorrow it could be in your country. And I am deeply frustrated that global leaders are not giving this life or death emergency the action and the investment it requires. Because words are not enough. Without action, climate catastrophe is coming for all of us.
In the interest of the needy and helpless people who are with me and other international dignitaries